got my R2D2 dome. This is the all metal one. I've been wanting to get this for years. So I ordered this actually on Monday and it showed up Friday. So super fast shipping. I haven't opened it yet. I was waiting to do this video to take a look. So let's do it. Let's see what we got here. Now, if you're building an R2D2, there's many options out there. I originally started building my R2 actually over a decade ago, probably close to 15 years ago now. I didn't have the funds available to go with the all metal droid, so I started building my frame with wood, and the dome I got was just a plastic dome. And of course, having kids, it got cracked and stuff. Just, you know, that's where it is. But this time, I'm going to do it. I'm going to spend the money and I'm going to get a good dome. So here we are. This is what's called a hydro dome. This is laser cut parts. Here's that right away. It's the ring. Everything looks beautifully packaged, by the way. Set that part down there. Oh, here's R2. You can see that? There's the dome. So hydroforming, if you don't know what hydroforming is, they actually use water to form stuff. Kind of like, sort of like, you know, a water jet that cuts metal. This is kind of similar. They use water, but it's to form stuff. So let's see what we got. Oh wow, that is incredible. It's a little bent there, but that's okay. Wow. Look at that. All metal. That's absolutely incredible. That's stunning. There is R2D2. So this comes as a two-piece kit. So this is the outer dome. Still gotta get to the inner dome. Very well packaged. I got this from Granite Earth, so I do just want to give a shout out to them. Super fast shipping, great job packaging this so far. And here's the inner dome. So we'll go ahead and set that down. So the inner dome is a little bit thicker than the outer dome. How this works is you do your stuff to your inner dome, your outer dome, then line everything up, and then they fit together. So all these panels here are all cut. Got these little tabs. All these panels have to finish cutting these out, and it allows you to kind of to do what you want to do with it. If you want just for looks, everything all sealed, or if you want actually functioning things. So obviously R2D2 and then the film stuff. These panels open up. You got periscope. You got one where it shoots out Luke Skywalker's lightsaber, pops out. Different tools that come out of different spots. So it depends on how advanced you want to go with your droid. And of course, all the light kits and stuff. Yeah, I mean, like this is thick metal. Beautiful design though. I mean, I'm very happy with this. I know it's going to come up. People want to know price-wise what this is. It's a chunk of change. To me, I think this is well worth it, though. I believe in the buy once, cry once philosophy. Spend the money the first time, and then you're good. Rather than like my plastic dome that I had, ended up getting cracked, and just wasn't happy with it. This way, you know, the goal is to be able to get R2 done, be able to take it to children's hospitals, do charity stuff with it. You know, maybe take it to schools, whatever, so people can, you know, enjoy it. I want to be able, so people can actually come up and touch it, so without doing any damage to it. So, with being all metal, it should be a little bit more durable than plastic. But paid more for this dome than I did for my first truck. If you follow my other channel, the 1978 Chevy Bondo I had in high school, yeah, I paid more for this dome than that. This dome actually cost more than my mortgage payment of my first house. But it's only money, right? You can always make more. And it's, again, it's a one-time purchase, you know. So this will last. So overall, very impressed with this. It's like being a kid on Christmas again. Yeah, this is incredible. We'll get another video going and stuff as we start prepping and building the rest of R2. And I already got the Lazy Susan that I've had for years. It's the same one they still use for this. So I'll use that one off my wooden frame, and I'm going to be building a metal frame. I got more parts coming, so we'll do more reviews of that stuff as we get more parts in. So if you haven't already, be sure to click like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. And may the force be with you.